What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for another Pipeline the Surf Coaster construction update. Hopefully there has been some progress. I do see a crane or two in the air, so that is good news. Driving in, didn't see any new track, but I did see some new supports. So we'll check that out in just a minute. It's kind of busy here. Parking took about almost 15 minutes to get through because, well, it's Thanksgiving week, so it's going to be busy at the park. The line for the tickets, I haven't seen it like that in forever. Luckily though, right at the very entrance to get through the turnstiles, not so bad. Most everything looks to be just about the same over here, except I do think they've been working on some of the electrical for the launch. And there's a guy welding right behind the fence. SkyTower is running, so that's a good thing. Ride still looks awesome. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. Temperatures are somewhere in the 70s. In the mornings, kind of chilly, somewhere in the low 60s, but it's a nice day. It's not Florida winter. It's kind of rainy in certain areas of the state, as we do have some weather. Turn around right there. You see the crane over there in the air. Again, park is much busier than normal, which is a good thing. It should be busy. We need to afford new coasters. Split Point, normally bridge is over there, but I am not missing a chance to go on SkyTower, so that's what we're doing now. SkyTower, we have arrived, and that sign is still missing, the bottom portion at least. Work walls are still up over here, for whatever reason. I see people on it. Yay! You know, it makes me happy. Seeing construction ducks. They gotta be the reason why SkyTower is open.
For the comfort and safety of everyone, we ask that you please remain seated at all times. Thank you. Welcome aboard the SeaWorld SkyTower. As you take your ride up to a height of 300 feet, we thought it would be helpful to share some SeaWorld tips that might make your day even more enjoyable. For your own safety, please stay in your seats for the entire ride and no smoking, please. We thought it would be helpful to share some SeaWorld tips that might make your day even more enjoyable. For your own safety, please stay in your seats for the entire ride and no smoking, please. Well, we're just about 300 feet up now, and from here you can see for miles and miles. As the cabin rotates, keep an eye open for a lush, tropical oasis right across the street from SeaWorld. That's Discovery Cove, where you can snorkel with rays and exotic fish, relax on a beautiful beach. Well, we're just about 300 feet up now, and from here you can see for miles and miles. As the cabin rotates, keep an eye open for a lush, tropical oasis right across the street from SeaWorld. That's Discovery Cove, where you can snorkel with rays and exotic fish and tours, educational programs, or restaurant reservations. Visit us online at SeaWorld.com, download the SeaWorld app, or stop by the guest information.
Alright, so we're over here at Flamecraft, and you want to see something really weird? Last week, that was a pathway, and now it's a planter. I don't know, that's random. Bridge time, and as we saw from the SkyTower, some new supports were up. No new track, but crews are getting ready because there's going to be a bunch of track that's going in over the next 2 days. Since a lot of the elements are low to the ground, they'll be able to move really quickly on this. We're talking like 5 to 8 segments of track possible per day if everything is going well. The rest of the site, pretty busy too, as we can see guys over there working on the launch area. Station area has some new supports and work on it, but everything is looking really good. Progress is going. Icebreaker, and it's currently showing a 10-minute wait. How do I know? Well, there's a sign there, and apparently now we need a sign over here. Of course, we have the ice skating show at night for Christmas celebration, but during the day, guests are allowed to skate on it. And that allows us to get an awesome view of Pipeline from there. All right, so here's the booth for ice skating rental. It is $15, and if you want to go down into the area, you have to sign your life away with this little wristband right here. Past members do get a discount though. And here we are, ice skating rink. Gotta love Pipeline right there too. Looks like they're organizing a bunch of the supports. Most of those will go up tomorrow. Now, how awesome were those views? I mean, seriously, Bayside Stadium, if the upper deck is open and this ride is running, it's gonna be phenomenal for video and everything else like that. Of course, we could always get another view from the drone maybe. Just in case if you're wondering, I know you're not, but work walls are still up around this thing. Check it out, glow gifts, now in operation. So we got bubble blowers, light up necklaces, all sorts of stuff. But it's open now. You know what else is in operation? Infinity Falls. Only has a 5-minute wait. Nice. Well, that is something I have not seen run in quite a while. The waterfall scene right here for Infinity Falls, it kind of goes away when the boat approaches. Well, it's working again. That's awesome. We are inside Waterway Grill, and something I got to show you that's different. There was a giant wall right here with Howl Scream, and that's gone now. And it's opened up for seating, and they're going to need it with it being really busy this holiday season. Mako! It's currently showing a 15-minute wait. Somebody lost their phone. How quickly are they working? Well, since I made a loop around the park, yet another support was put up. That one. And it looks like the cranes are all coming down. So it looks like work for the day is complete. Tomorrow is going to be a really busy one though. It wouldn't be a visit to the park without our pink chickens. And they're extremely active today. I think it's the colder weather. Hey, look! It's Sprinkles or Sunday. One of the new ones. And there's the other baby.
Hola. Hola.
Even one of the babies is starting to vocalize. That's awesome. Just for reference, their tag numbers are 23 and 24. The other one right here, 24. One over there, 23. Well guys, that's going to do it for another video here from SeaWorld Orlando for Pipeline the Surf Coaster. Exciting stuff as crews were busy getting supports ready for major construction over the next couple days. High-speed turnarounds are going to be going in. They'll start low and then go higher into the air. And of course, we will be there to cover it all. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway, guys. Bye!